Let's make a super pretty boho cross, perfect for Easter or any day of the year. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so friends, I'm just going to warn you right now, though. If you're looking for a super fast project, this might not be the one. All right, so we start with some nautical rope from Dollar Tree. And I think I went through 5 packages. I know. So we're going to start by cutting some strips of the nautical rope to 7 inches. This is for the bottom rung of our cross wreath that I got from Dollar Tree. So see, and forgive me, I don't remember how many I had to cut, but it was quite a few. And what we're going to do is, see how the nautical rope is in 3 strands? We're just going to unravel them, okay? It's just easier to cut it to 7 inches to unravel it than to unravel all of it before it's cut up. All right, so then we're going to fold our nautical rope in half, and then we're going to put that loop through the bottom rung, and then we're going to pull the tails through and then tighten it up. Ta-da! Do that all the way around that bottom rung. Perfect. There it is. Pretty. Then we're going to take a comb and we're going to comb out all of our nautical rope. It's getting prettier. You got to admit, look at how cool that looks. I love it. All right. Once that's all combed out, you're going to trim it. Now you're going to need a nice pair of scissors, nice and sharp. I'll be honest with you. These ones, I got a blister after. So super sharp is what you're looking for. And then we're just going to trim. We're going to trim all the way around. You're going to go around the sides. You can round it if you wanted. You could make it square like I did. Whatever floats your boat. It's fine. Just go all the way around. Easy peasy. I love it. I am so excited about this. It's not even funny. It did take a hot minute to do this, though. It's a labor of love. That's fine, right? Yeah. Anyways, so again, cut. And then, same song, second verse, we're going to cut some more nautical rope. The next rung, we're going to do 5 inch. So they're going to cut them to 5 inches instead of 7, okay? You could cut them to 7 if you want, whatever you want. It's fine. It's just the shorter ones because you want it to be able to see the bottom rung and the top. Does that make sense? We're going to do the same process. Fold it in half, put the loop in, and then tighten it up. And you'll notice on those little rungs that are on the lower part of the cross, I just tied a knot. Just tie it in a knot. I took a piece of nautical rope and just tied it in a knot. Done. Awesome. Then we're going to comb these out just like we did the bottom. And then I actually took a cutting mat from Dollar Tree, flipped all of those top rung nautical rope knots up, and then flipped them back down because we need to trim this one too, right? But we don't want to trim the bottom. So I just used that cutting mat just to separate the top from the bottom. And we did the same process in trimming it. Trim as much or as little, but quit it. Look at, so pretty already. And you don't even have to do anything more from there, right? But I thought I had these really pretty purple flowers I had gotten from Michael's. And I thought, you know what? I love purple so much. So I thought, why not? So I just glued some pretty purple flowers in it. Again, you don't have to do this part, but holy smokes, I am not mad. Look at how pretty. And you know, I'm going to be honest with you. I think we could use this all year. I don't think this is an Easter exclusive, but I did want to do this now. I know it's a bit before Easter, but I want to do it now because I'm seeing these cross wreaths at Dollar Tree, and I would hate for you to miss out because people are going to scoop them up. Just saying. Anyways, friends, thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you.